Hi. Today we're gonna talk about one of the best ancient anti-aging secrets for many centuries. This unbeaten Japanese beauty secret recipe makes up to your anti-aging needs. It has been proven to be a very effective way in keeping your skin smooth, firm and young. It has been used by our ancients for centuries. For ages, rice is extensively used to make pores and skin stiffness. If followed correctly, the results are permanent and can be achieved in 30 days, that is less than 4 weeks' time. You need to apply at least once a week for 4 weeks to get effective results. For this recipe, you'll need to put together the following: boiled rice, honey, warm milk, turmeric, optional. The method to make this rice facial masks is quite simple and smooth. Using most effective of 3 to 4 ingredients in those easy steps, you'll be happy yourself with a more youthful looking pores and skin after regular use. Steps to make the face mask. Boil an equivalent of 2 tablespoons of rice for 2 to 5 minutes until completely cooked. When boiled, separate the rice from the water wherein it cooked. While we are able to be using the rice for the mask, save the water for later use for a mix. Now add 1 tablespoon of honey, and 2 to 3 tablespoons of milk with the rice. Mix and mash to form a paste. You can add a pinch of turmeric powder as an option. Turmeric is a natural antiseptic and can benefit your skin treatment. You might also add the saved water after the rice to make the paste smoother. Keep mixing until it becomes a fine paste. The final and last step is making use of the combination to your face. Before you do, please ensure your face is clean, dry, and free from any moisture. When applying, lightly rub it for your face for 2 minutes. Apply the mixture to your face to make sure it's completely covered, and your skin is absorbing all of the vitamins from it. Then allow it dry for about 30 minutes to 1 hour. When dried, wash and rinse at the usage of the rice water. Pat your skin dry with a smooth fabric. For best results, do this method as a minimum once every week in a month and you will be amazed at the consequences. You will be able to start noticing results from the first time of your face mask. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe for more such natural health tips.